Oh, this is pretty cool. So today we're doing something a little bit different. We're actually having a combination of thrifting and coin collecting. I found this at the thrift store for $5. So let's check it out. It's a magnetic penny kit. And it is 2 magnetic bars that are full of British coins. Pretty cool. So we got some brand new 2015 2014 10 pence. Pretty cool. And in addition to the magnets that are covered with coins, we also got this book. Pretty cool. So let's go ahead and get this thing set up. So it looks like we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these 2 pence coins. We got 1 10 pence coin from 2014, and those are from 2015. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these 5 pence coins from 2012. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16, 17, 18, 19 of these 1 penny coins. So not too often they actually get money from the thrift store. In the ways of UK money. So let's go ahead and check out and see how much it's actually worth in US dollar. So it looks like right now the US dollar is about 82 cents on the British pound. So there's 63 pence there. So made a little bit of money. So I can see that it's listed on Amazon for $25.99, $22.07 on sale. It looks like if you have Prime plus free returns. So pretty good deal getting it for $5 either way. It's got some pretty good ratings on it. So it looks like it's definitely a popular toy. So pretty cool. These are the Magic Penny magnets themselves. Actually seem like they're pretty powerful. I can push this one away here. And let's see how close you have to be to actually get these coins to stick to it. Pretty powerful magnet. Just to show you how powerful these magnets are, this is the most amount of coins I was able to stick to here. Still keep it moving. But it does get a little frustrating because these magnets are powerful and the coins just love to stick to them. It's tricky, but if you can get these coins to stick on the edge, you can kind of make like little designs with them. I'm going to keep putting coins on here, but I will probably make them all fall over. There it is. And we've got a little bridge with Queen Elizabeth on there. I guess this is supposed to be like a little robot or something, but it is a lot harder to build these than you would think. If you even barely touch these, the whole thing just comes apart. Well, I have tried to build a tower, and this is about as high as I can get it. You definitely got to give these kids some credit because some of these designs that they're showing in this book, I mean, geez, how do you get that many coins to sit on top of each other? I'm building this little tower, and as you can see, it is not easy to do at all. So I can honestly see why somebody just said, you know what, I am going to go and sell this thing back to the used stuff store that I got it from. So I should probably clarify, when I say used stuff store, usually I mean thrift store as in like a place where you donate things to and then they resell them. In this case, I bought them from, I guess, a secondhand store where you can actually resell your items to them. And they give you like, a third of what they actually sell it for. But I go there to find things. I call that thrifting too, because you're paying very little for stuff, and it's like you're buying it used, like you would on eBay or at a garage sale or anywhere else. So I kind of include that in the whole thrifting word. So, ooh, see. Well, I tell you what, if I'm ever in the UK, I'd love to go magnet fishing, because that's pretty nice. I mean, here in the U.S., none of our coins except for the 1943 steel penny will stick to a magnet. But, if you went into like a lake or something with a magnet, look at all these coins you could get. Let's see what happens if you get the magnet slowly closer to it. Maybe they'll stick on a little bit better that way. Maybe not. Yeah, you just have a big old mess. One thing I will say too is definitely make sure these are coins you don't care about, because these coins are definitely getting dinged up after even a short time of playing with this thing. Wow, did we actually make something? I believe I can fly. Oh. Well, apparently the kid on this box is a genius, because it is actually incredibly difficult to make those designs. So maybe I'm doing something wrong, or I just haven't read the directions, but as you can see, you can make some pretty incredible stuff on there if you have the patience to not have it fall over on you. Well, here's what happens when you read the directions. There's an up arrow that you need to make sure you're using on these magnets. As long as you do that, they tend to stick on there much better. Alright, well now I'm starting to get the hang of this thing. This thing is just like a bunch of Jenga blocks. Excuse me, I just need to walk around over here, coming through. Excuse me. Excuse me. Alright guys, well, I've had enough of this, but this has been a fun video. So anyway, if you guys like this video and you want to see more videos like this, please hit like and subscribe, and also wait for notifications on here as well, and I'll keep posting videos. Well, thanks everyone. Have a good one.